Hi traders, it's Jay with thetraderinstitute.com. Just want to remind everyone that futures, forex, and options trading is risky and you can lose money. Therefore, you should only trade with risk capital. Please consult your financial advisor or investment professional before making any investments in futures, forex, or options. No guarantee of income or solicitation of futures, forex, or options or any other financial instrument is being made in these videos.
Okay, so it's the evening of April 14th, just after 7:30 p.m. Eastern, the morning of April 15th here in Hong Kong. Just wanted to go over the levels that we had predicted during the agent session on the night of the 13th, and you can see how they performed. Now the ES, you can see our list of levels that we posted at a time very shortly after we started our agent session, which starts every Sunday to Thursday at 7:30 p.m. Eastern. At that time here in Hong Kong, it's after 7:30 a.m. and you can see at that time I posted into Skype the levels, the main levels that we were looking for on the ES, which stretched from about 2030 to 2091. That's kind of the range. We did about a 60-point range of levels. Now, so that was posted, and I posted the screenshot, and you can see in the screenshot, it's a little bit dark, but you can see that there was red lines and black lines, which are on the chart here in front of you now. So if we look at when the agent session started, that was right in this box here. Okay, that's when we started our session, and that would have ended right about here. So that was the duration of our agent session, and you can see that we had a black line at 2072 3/4, another black line down at 2066 1/4, and then another black line up at 2080 54, and some other important levels in between. And you can see that during into the tail end of our agent session, we actually came into that 2072 75. So I'm distinguishing between the lines that I think will possibly be do or die levels for each instrument, and then other major levels in between are denoted in red. And so we came into that 2072 3/4, and immediately the market started to bounce from that level, and you can see that from 2275 went all the way up to about 76 half. So there was, almost 4 points from that move, on depending, where you'd enter on that. But still a very nice move, and it came back. We broke through down to 68 half. We couldn't get down to our level at 66 1/4 going into the London session. But after we got into London, you can see we broke back above 2072 3/4. Started to go up again, came back, tested it within a tick or two. So 2 tests within 1 tick of that 72 1/4, then all the way up, going through our level at 77.50, and then our level at 78.75. That actually was actually 79, as you can see in our Word document on the side. So it literally only went through that by I think 2 ticks and reverse. So we managed to nail the London high pretty good, and then coming to the US session, North American session, we went all the way down to 2072.75 again, pushed through it by about 4 ticks down to 71.75, and that was the low of the regular trading hour session. And then all the way up and to 77.5. That's where we get a reaction. Tried a second time to get through 77.5, just poke through it a little bit, pull back again. Third time lucky, pushes through, and where does it go to? Our next level at 79. It played around 79 for a little while, came back in, tested 77.50, went through it by maybe one tick, and then we shot up to our level at 80.5. And so 80.5, it went as high as 81.75. That was the high of the day. So we picked the high of the day within 5 ticks. Not bad. And after that, sold off and then sideways into the close. So again, the levels proved very accurate, within anywhere from 0 to 5 ticks. And so lots of opportunity to take advantage of that. And one of the things I was asking, did anybody take the 79 short just before the open? And we had a couple people that did. Can you guys see that screenshot that I have here? Can you guys see that? Oh, very nice, Rick. You took the 79 short about an hour or so after the open for 4 points was away for the first one. Good for you. Very good. Okay, and just so we're not sticking just to the ES, you can see here on crude oil our level at 42.12, which was also posted yesterday in the Skype. That managed to make the high of the day here. You can see that we posted that one at around 8 p.m. Eastern, 8 a.m. Here in Hong Kong. And you can see right there 42.11. The high yesterday was 42.16, I believe, on crude oil. So we picked the high within 5 ticks. And the low was 84. And you can see we had 40.89 as one of our levels. So 2 of our levels also picked the high and the low on crude oil. Okay, so on gold, we had 1245.1 as level. Actually, we had in the, I might have moved this by accident, in the levels that we actually posted in Skype, we had 1245.7. Okay, as you can see, the level looks like it's at 1245.1. Anyway, the bottom line is that the high was 1245.9. So if you say that it was from 1245.7 as it was listed, well, we picked the high within 2 ticks on gold with one of our levels. Or if you say it's at 1245.2, well, okay, it was within 7 ticks. And in terms of the low, we had a couple of our black lines down in the 1225 area. You can see 1224.5 and 1226.5. Where did we go? We went to, so far, 1225.4. So again, within 7 or 8 ticks. Yeah, on a day where gold had pretty big moves. Again, so picking the being able to pick the highs and the lows, or at least be ready for those levels, well ahead of time, makes things way easier.
Okay, so that's the end of the review of the performance of the levels that we established in the Asian session on April 14th. And so now going into April 15th, Friday, where are we and where are we going most likely. The black lines, as mentioned before, those are the levels that we believe to be more significant. And the magenta line up there at 2086, that was a line projected from Sunday night, from the beginning of the week. So, and we the 2030 line that was also projected on Sunday night has almost come into play here. So it's quite amazing. If we scroll this chart up, you can see that this week basically that was the low. 2030 was the low, the magenta line, and that was projected on Sunday night. And levels that we projected ahead of time, as you've seen, have performed very well. So going into Friday, essentially what I see is obviously 81 is going to be a significant level. Above that, 86 and 2091 on the ES June contract. Below us, we saw on Wednesday, or was it Tuesday or Wednesday, how 66 quarter was significant. So I'm going to leave that as a significant line. Got 2060 half, just below that, 2057 half below that as significant lines, and a few other levels in between, like 54 half, 52 quarter, 2049 half, 2048 half, and then significant levels below that would be 45 quarter and 42.75, and obviously 35.50. We talked about that last week. That was a significant level last week. So those are the levels that we see going into the Friday session. So I would suspect, in terms of a projection, to the downside will probably be limited to that 57.50 area. To the upside, 86 and 91 are going to be the two major levels to contend with. Beyond that, then we'd have to reestablish some more levels, but I think that should probably contain the action on Friday, as some major players probably close out their positions going into the weekend. So I just want to remind everyone that we'll have free trials every Thursday, 7:30 p.m. Eastern. Basically, we'll go through the levels on certain markets with you, like the ES, crude oil, NASDAQ, YM, gold, and Forex. Eugene and Alex will cover Forex and be going over those levels during the trial session as well. And we'll also explain what we offer in terms of the education and the tools during that session. So you're welcome to join us. It's a free ongoing trial every Thursday, 7:30 to 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I look forward to you joining us. I hope these levels help you in your trading. Good trading, and have a great weekend, everyone.